Unveiling the hidden culprit of air pollution in the Middle East. It has long been thought that air pollution in the Middle East is mostly the result of desert dust and local climatic conditions. However, recent research has revealed that the fine particulates detected were from man-made sources such as industrial and agricultural activities, the fossil fuel industry and shipping traffic, and incomplete burning of biomass and fossil fuels. This analysis suggested that the air pollution due to PM 2.5 would contribute to 5.9% of excess mortality in Cyprus, but as high as 15.9% of excess deaths in Kuwait. This level of excess mortality makes exposure to air pollution as much of a health risk in the region as tobacco use and high cholesterol. This highlights the significance of air quality monitoring in urban environments. Real-time air quality data can aid in creating informed air quality policies for each industry to safeguard the community.